Hey guys, I want to make this quick video for you because I've had so many people ask me for help with weight loss tips, how to get their macros, how many calories should I be eating. I made my 3-tip weight loss videos and I've had such a massive response to it. So first of all, my name's Celeste. I'm a mom of a 3-year-old. I've lost over 90 pounds and I've managed to keep it off for the most part, and it has really changed my life. And I started sharing my journey on Instagram actually, just to hold myself accountable and to hopefully inspire maybe one person, because when I was over 200 pounds after my C-section, I felt like it was out of reach. I didn't know how I could ever lose weight, and I felt so miserable all the time. I got out of breath going upstairs. I didn't know where to start. So I shared on TikTok a simple 3-tip video of 3 things I did to lose weight, walking and things like that. And I've had a lot of people come to me and ask me for help and if I can give them recipes and things like that. So I'm making this video to let you know what I offer. So I've made a private page, and once you're approved into it, I literally show you step by step in video format, me talking to you just like I am now, exactly what I've done. I give you all my tips and tricks. I post to my private story. I show you all my meals. I give you grocery haul recommendations. I literally go from the very beginning when I started losing weight until the very end, and just help you every step of the way. And obviously you have me to ask, answer your questions, and you can ask me anything. I'm pretty much an open book when it comes to that. I don't create a custom meal plan or anything like that. What I teach you is how I started walking, how you can start walking, how little changes will make such a big difference in your life, and you don't need a fancy gym membership to lose weight. In fact, it mostly is going to boil down to our nutrition. If you're eating too much, if you're eating the, I don't want to say the wrong foods, because there's no bad foods, but you have to know how to eat for your personal body, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you're interested, send me a message and let's get started. I have a 6-week program that I think will really, really help you, and it's literally just me pouring out my heart and soul into my private group, my private page, and taking you step by step from point A to point B, and just showing you, start here. This is what I did. This is what worked for me. And like I said, I'm nobody special. I'm just a mom of a 6-year-old who wanted to feel better, who wanted to be able to keep up with my kid and live a long, healthy life. And I wanted to inspire maybe one person, because I remember seeing other people's journeys when I was just starting, and it really motivated me. And I started thinking, hey, if they can do it, so can I. And so that's my message for you. If I can do it, so can you. And if you would like to join me and know how I did it, then just send me a message and let's get started.